Hey guys, welcome to Holistic Mojo. I'm Sahara Lee, and today we're going to be talking about a quick and easy digestive fire cider recipe. Now, if you are geeky like me and you want to dive into and study all of the medicinal properties of these herbs, you're going to want to check out my 50-minute recipe video that I made about a year ago. I'm going to link that below in the comments section for all of you out there who are up for that dissertation. If you are just here for the quick and easy apple pie tasting fire cider, you are in the right place. So before we get started, I just want to go over a couple things. When you are using your apple cider vinegar, you want to save that bottle and then just reuse it by dumping the fire cider in afterwards. During this video, you're going to see me pour the fire cider into an empty jar of honey. I personally do not like to waste any honey ever on anything, so I make sure that I dump it back into the honey jar just to make sure I get all of that ooey gooey goodness. Also, you'll notice that I don't strain my fire cider, and that's because it doesn't bother me that it's a little bit gritty from the spices that are in it. If it bothers you, just run it through a normal strainer, a tea strainer, or a nut milk bag, and that will clear up that issue for you. I also don't refrigerate this particular recipe. I don't find that it needs to be refrigerated, but if that's something that you like, you can go ahead and do that. And then what else? Oh, when you're blending for 3 to 5 minutes, if you're using a really powerful blender like a Vitamix, you just want to make sure that while your fire cider is going to get warm while it's being blended in there, it never gets hot, because then you're going to start to kill off all that good enzymatic jazz that's going on. So warm is fine, hot is not fine. If you stick on the 3 minutes side if you're using a really powerful food processor or blender. Okay, let's get started. What you're going to need for this quick fire cider digestive blend is turmeric root powder, ginger root powder, cinnamon powder, cardamom powder, a bottle of apple cider vinegar, some raw honey, and an orange. You're going to use about 2 tablespoons each of all of the ground powders, and then you're going to squeeze the entire orange into the blender as well as the entire bottle of apple cider vinegar. You want your apple cider vinegar to be the organic, unfiltered kind. And then you are going to add your honey to taste. But with a full bottle of apple cider vinegar, I usually go with about a half of a jar of honey. So somewhere between 4 to 8 ounces. It's completely up to you and your taste buds. So I'm just going to go ahead and add all this into the blender and then blend it up. And there you have it. That is my apple pie flavored digestive fire cider recipe. Now, if you want to kick this up a notch and add a bunch of immune boosting ingredients to your fire cider, stay tuned. I'm going to post the second video to this, which is just adding additional things to it to make it an all-around immune booster. And you'll be able to find the link to that in the comments section below as well. Bye.